Okay, guys, we are back again with another video. We hope you have had a great weekend and an even better week ahead. This is going to be a great video. Are you ready? Let's go. In this video today, I want to talk about why marketers must have some sort of graphic design skills. Graphic design helps with communicating and target specific audiences. We are in no way saying that the marketer should have the level of knowledge of graphic designers. However, you can improve your marketing by having a basic understanding of graphic design skills. Just simple things can take your marketing ideas to the next level. Today I want to share 6 tips that have helped me and how you can take these tips and apply them to your business. I think that is a fair trade, for only 4 minutes of your time, don't you think? Step 1. It gives you a better understanding of concepts and themes. A good understanding of concepts and themes is critical for any marketers. Even if you are not doing the final designs, your contributions can play a significant role. First, it helps to know basic design principles. Such include contrast, balance, proportion, and hierarchy. Other important ones are typography, color theories, gradients, patterns, and graphic edits. After all, you are the one who has a better understanding of the audience. You know what they will interact well with. You also understand how they like to consume their messaging. Step 2. You get a deeper understanding of responsive designs. The digital space has led to the evolution of marketing as we know it. While before, many marketers depended on analog platforms. Such included print media using print adverts, banners, brochures, and flyers. But now, the digital space has made information easily accessible. The modern marketer must understand responsive designs on so many other platforms. Such include mobile phones and tablets. A good understanding of how messaging presents on such devices is critical. Coming up with responsive designs is a collaborative effort between the marketer and designer. Step 3. Time saving with a relevant design software. Let's say you notice that some of the design work needs editing. A marketer with graphic design skills can easily make the alterations instead of holding up a project altogether. It helps with efficiency and higher productivity. Modern marketers must take time to learn how to use relevant design software. Step 4. Be cost efficient. Marketers must work on budgets, and it helps to know how to save when you can. For example, hiring a graphic designer or agency can be pretty costly. Yet, you must get money out of your budget to ensure you have someone on standby when you need them. A freelancer takes projects on a need-to basis. You could find yourself in a pinch if you have urgent work to do. But fortunately I have a freelancing resource for you below. They are always working around the clock. Hit the link now. Step 5. It allows for better communication. A marketer must be able to communicate well with graphic designers. You need to verbalize your vision so that they can translate it into the final design. Instead of trying to explain the idea, you can create a basic layout for the graphic designer. Since you already have a good understanding of some of the tools, it becomes easier. A marketer must articulate ideas. The marketers should also be able to help the client get better clarity about what they can expect. Imagine coming up with a concept right as the client describes what they want. Step 6. Take advantage of the latest trends and designs. There is a lot of competition, especially in the digital space. Every brand is screaming, hoping to get some notice. The design elements on a website, for example, will determine whether you attract visitors to the site. The right trends and technology will help with engagement. With low bounce rates, you get better visibility on the search engines. Well, we hope you now have a better understanding how graphic design can help your business. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We post a new video every Sunday. Also, leave your comments below. I would love to hear from you all. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.